Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see the something went wrong error in the BMO app, it is usually temporary. First, start by completely closing your app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for BMO banking and then swipe it away. Then wait for a few seconds and reopen it. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, log out of the app, restart your phone and log back in. Also, head over to your app store, search for the BMO app and then make sure the app is updated. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update your app to the latest version. If the error keeps appearing, BMO servers may be down temporarily, wait for a short time and try again later, and that's it. Subscribe for more